Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've just had Madam Glam's March collection arrive. Who's ready to see some gorgeous spring colours? Ooh, these look pretty. So the name of this collection is called House of Bloom. You've got 8 gorgeous spring shades. The 4 that I've chosen this month are Devine, New Moon, Prime, and this one is a no wipe top coat called Fiery Energy. Confetti no wipe top coat. Look at that. It looks so pretty. I love the look of that. So yeah, like I said, these are beautiful pastel shades. I'll pop a picture on the screen now, guys, of the other colours in this collection, in case you want to see what the other colours are. So like I normally do, I'm going to give them a swatch, and then I'm going to do a design using some of them. It's like all Madam Glam gels. These are also vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free, and hema-free. You've got your ingredients on the back there. You get 15ml in glass bottles, and I really like that they have the swatch in the lids of these bottles, because I look down on my gel polishes. It's so much easier for me to find the colour that I'm looking for. So the first one we're going to look at is Devine. Oh, that is a really, really nice pastel yellow. It's nearly actually a cream. It's so light. Look at that. Really pretty colour. Really, really light yellow. Then we've got Prime. That really pretty, very light orange, really pretty colour. I like that. Now we're on to New Moon. Oh, I like this one. I think this is probably going to be my favourite. Ooh, that's pretty. A really pale lilac colour. I like that. I've not got anything as light as these. And then lastly, let's take a look at this Fiery Energy no wipe top coat, shall we? Look at the label on the bottle, guys. How cute is that? I really like that label. Ooh, this is snazzy. So it's got green, pink, and orange oh, I think it's got silver in there as well. I like with these confetti no wipe top coats, you can just nudge the bits around until you're happy with it, because obviously they're not going to stick in place until you cure it in the lamp. Look at that. That is so cute. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, then I'll give it another coat. And then I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails, and we'll come back and take a look at the colours and decide what I'm going to do with them. So there we are, guys. That is all the swatches. That's what they look like, matte and shiny. They're really pretty, aren't they? Super, super light. I don't think I've got any pastels that light. I like them. I really like this one in particular. New Moon, that one's called. So I've got to figure out something I want to do with them now. So I'm going to get set up, have a little think, and I shall pop back in once I'm ready to go. Right guys, so you'll see off camera I've already applied a coat of Madam Glam's Hibiscus to all 4 nails. Cured that, then I've gone over them with the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. Now I'm putting some of Prime, New Moon and Devine on my palette. I've pulled out my Madam Glam striping brush and I'm going to start off on this pointer fingernail and I'm going to paint a nail bed using Prime. Right, I've not cured that prime gel polish, guys, because into that uncured gel polish, I'm going to sprinkle some of this glitter into it. So this is from the Colours World, TCR602. And what I've done is I've matched. So I've pulled out this peach one for the peach colour, pulled out the yellow for the yellow, and the bluey purple for the bluey purple. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now we're going in with New Moon. Give that one a cure. And then lastly, I'm sprinkling this yellow glitter into Devine. Right, so all that glitter is cured in place. Now I want to do a little band of each colour gel polish, just going around that smile line. So this one is Pastel Peach, which is called Prime. I'm only going to show you me doing this one nail, guys, because it's the same on all the others. Right guys, I'm going to give these a top coat now. I weren't sure whether I wanted to top coat over the glitter or not. but I think I am going to. I'm just going to use an old top coat for now, just to seal in that glitter, because I don't want to get glitter in my good top coat. And I'm going to leave that ring finger with a matte top coat, guys, because I want to do a crystal design on that nail. So now I'm using some gem glue. I'm just going to stick that where I need it on the middle of this nail. And we're going to do a crystal design. I really like the look of shiny crystals on a matte background. I just think it looks really, really nice. So yeah, I decided to leave that nail matte. Alright, I'm going to give them a quick cure, and then I'm going to put some more caviar beads on, and then we'll come back and take a look at them, shall we? So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? You can just see those glitters, what colours they are, can't you? Just. I think they're really cute. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Those pastels are very, very light, aren't they? It was quite hard to match up. I really, really like those crystals. I think they're still pretty. I like them. So let's have a quick look at the swatches very quickly. One more time. There we are. So we've got Devine, which is the yellow. New Moon, which is the bluey purple. Prime, which is the peachy sort of colour. Then we've got the confetti no wipe top coat, which is called Fiery Energy. Yeah, they're going to be great for spring, aren't they, guys? Really pretty pastel spring colours there. So that's everything for today's video. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam, as always, for sending us these to take a look at. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. Everything that I've used today, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. Remember, I've got a 30% off Madam Glam discount code as well, guys. It's always in my description box. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.